So, going to be showing how to make the crocheted candy cane. Chain 26 to begin. So I have a size 4 hook and just regular red yarn. And I'm going to start. You want your chain to be not too tight that you can't get the hook through it, but you want it to be pretty snug. You don't want to have loose stitches. You're going to chain 26. After you chain 26, you're going to go through each and every chain and chain 2 single crochets into each chain. After you do that, I'll be back. So I have my chain of 26, pretty good and snug, but not too tight. Then I'm going to do single crochets, and if you don't know how to do single crochet, you can watch a tutorial on that. I don't currently have a tutorial on how to do single crochet, but I just basically do tutorials for people that know how to do the stitches already. So you go through, wrap around, bring it up through, and you're going to wrap around and bring through 2. Now you're going to do that in the same stitch, 2 single crochets into each chain till you get back to the end. You will see as you continue to go up into each chain with 2 single crochets, it starts to twirl. And after it's completed, you take whatever little loose stuff that you have and you trim that. You can stretch it out, form it. Some people actually take some floral wire and put up in the middle of it. That's completely optional. Some people use hairspray or starch to stiffen it. So now you want to do the exact same thing with white yarn. Okay? So, exact same thing. And to put them together, start at one end. See? And you just twist it together. Just don't try to do the whole thing at once. Just take it from the top and work down. And again, some people like to have it stiff and they can floral wire, or some people use bobby pins, whatever you have on hand. You could starch it, spray it, because they want that, extra stiffness. Okay, so there's that. Just kind of shape it however length you want. Remember, it is yarn, it's flexible. Okay, and it's completely optional. You can add some decor to it. You can just put some, you can even just wrap some yarn up at the top of it. And I have this little bow here, and I just take it around and take this little thing that I'm going to use, just some pretty little gold ribbon, and I'm going to stick it inside this little ribbon thing, and then I'm going to take the ribbon thing on the back and just twist it together. And then just sort of form that at the top so it's just a little bit loose. Position it however you like on the candy cane. And ta-da! That is how you make a crochet candy cane. And you can just take in a little lanyard, maybe a little fabric glue, tuck everything in, just as neat and picky as you want. It's your candy cane ornament. Ta-da!